be doing a review on these two bullet journal notebooks I've been using. The one on the right is the Lightroom that I've been using for a number of years now. It actually lasted me a pretty long time. And it's well loved. It has a back pocket, which I love. I can put tons of random notes and items I want in the back. I actually have this label that I haven't even used. And this is the new one that I bought off of Amazon. It's actually half the price of the Lightroom, so I wanted to buy it and see if it was actually worth the switch. So both of these are dotted notebooks. I feel like they're really hard to find. That's why I went with Lightroom before, because they actually offered dotted notebooks. And so I found this one on Amazon, which was half the price. And they both have the back pocket, which is something that I like to have. It wasn't necessary, but it was nice to have. And I think the price was really what was attractive here. And these are all the specs that were on the notebook. As the back pocket, the elastic band. So I would say it's pretty much like a Lightroom if you don't care about the brand. So on first thought, the covers are different. The Lightroom has a very smooth cover, and the Amazon one is actually kind of rougher looking. The Lightroom has like a smoother leathery cover, and it actually feels like the Amazon one is a harder cover too when you bend it back. And just comparing the feel of the pages here, the Lightroom is actually has very thin paper, and the Amazon one actually feels a bit like cardstocky. So I feel like the quality is actually really good. Sometimes in the Lightroom, the ink leaks a lot through the back, so I end up kind of losing a lot of pages because I didn't feel like writing on the back of the pages. And if it actually matters, the paper in the Amazon one actually looks a lot whiter than the one in Lightroom. So if you like whiter paper, that might be a good thing too in the Amazon notebook. Another thing I noticed was there's only one bookmark in the Amazon version, and there's two in the Lightroom. So depending on what you like to do with the bookmarks, I didn't use the bookmarks too much, so I think I would be fine with just one, and I can always add extra tabs on the side for my go-to pages. Here's a close-up of the dots on the Lightroom. I find the dots look a lot more organized and cleaner in the Lightroom. It also has page numbers if that matters to you. Yeah, the dots actually look like in a very nice grid shape. It didn't look out of place or anything. But if you look at the Amazon one, it actually feels a bit weird because they do it straight to the edge, so it kind of looks like a little messy. That's a small detail. If that really bugs you, then it'll really bug you, but I think now that I've used it for a while, I'm getting used to it, and that's a really small detail for me for half the price of the book, so I'm not going to really get bothered about it. And so this is what it looks like, what I was talking about, the bleeding. It bleeds through just with pen, so you can see on the other page. And this one I actually used marker, and you can barely see through it. So the paper quality is actually thicker, and I feel is a better paper quality, especially if you're going to do a lot of coloring and artwork in your notebook. So that's the review of the notebooks. I'm actually really liking using the Amazon one right now, especially the cost savings and the paper quality. So I'll add the link to the notebook from Amazon in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or check the notification bell so you get new notifications whenever I add a new video. Thank you.